The National Electrical Code, referred to as NEC, requires that cables and wires be securely fastened and supported. This requirement helps maintain their position and prevents damage. When running Romex wires parallel to joists and using blocking as a cable tray, securing these wires to the blocking is a necessity. Let's explore accepted methods for achieving this. Firstly, staples. You must use insulated staples that are specifically designed for electrical wiring. These staples should securely hold the Romex cable without damaging the insulation. Secondly, cable ties. Plastic or nylon cable ties can be wrapped around the wires and blocking to hold them in place. Ensure the cable ties are snug but not overly tight to avoid compressing the wires. Thirdly, J-hooks or sprinkler clips. These metal clips can be attached to the blocking and the wires can be hung from them. J-hooks provide excellent support and separation for multiple cables. Now let's address why securing wires is vital. Safety is the most important factor. Loose wires can become a tripping hazard or come into contact with other electrical components, potentially causing electrical shocks or fires. Proper securing minimizes these risks. Protection is another key benefit. Securing wires prevents them from sagging, which can lead to damage to the insulation or conductors due to stress or abrasion. Finally, maintaining position ensures the proper operation of the electrical system. Wires held in place are less likely to be disturbed during maintenance or renovations, preventing potential disruptions. A word of caution: use blocking that is the same size as the joist to prevent creating a gap in the ceiling. Also, ensure that the staples or other fasteners do not damage the wires or their insulation. When using staples, align them properly and avoid driving them in at an angle that could pierce the cable jacket. For cable ties, use a sufficient number to provide adequate support along the length of the run. If employing J-hooks, space them appropriately to prevent excessive sag between supports. Always to energize the circuit before working with electrical wires. This is a fundamental safety precaution that should never be overlooked. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves. Using the correct tools is essential for a professional and safe installation. Employ a staple gun designed for electrical staples, cable tie tensioning tool, or appropriate screwdrivers for J-hooks. Consult the NEC for specific requirements related to cable support and spacing in your particular application. The NEC provides detailed guidelines to ensure electrical safety and compliance. Before starting any electrical work, it's advisable to obtain the necessary permits and inspections from your local building authority. This ensures that your work meets code requirements and is safe for occupancy. Regularly inspect your wiring and support systems to identify any signs of damage or deterioration. Address any issues promptly to prevent potential hazards. When working with Romex cables, be mindful of the bend radius. Avoid sharp bends that can damage the conductors or insulation. Maintain a smooth, gradual curve. If you're unsure about any aspect of electrical work, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician. They have the expertise to ensure that the job is done safely and correctly. Proper grounding is critical for electrical safety. Ensure that all electrical components are properly grounded according to NEC requirements. Use approved connectors and fittings for all electrical connections. Avoid using substandard or counterfeit products that may not meet safety standards. Label all circuits and wiring clearly to facilitate future maintenance and troubleshooting. This helps prevent confusion and potential hazards. Consider using surge protection devices to protect your electrical system from voltage spikes and surges. Surge protectors can help prolong the life of your electronic equipment. When running wires through walls or ceilings, use appropriate bushings or grommets to protect the wires from abrasion. This helps prevent damage to the insulation and reduces the risk of electrical shorts. Avoid overloading circuits. Ensure that the total load on each circuit does not exceed the ampacity of the wiring and the rating of the circuit breaker. Use energy-efficient lighting and appliances to reduce energy consumption and lower your electricity bill. Energy-efficient products can also help reduce the strain on your electrical system. Regularly test your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they are functioning properly. These devices are essential for detecting fires and carbon monoxide leaks. Keep electrical panels and equipment clear of obstructions to allow for easy access and ventilation. This helps prevent overheating and reduces the risk of electrical fires. Educate yourself and your family about electrical safety. Knowing how to respond to electrical emergencies can save lives. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure that your Romex wiring is properly secured and compliant with the NEC, promoting a safe and reliable electrical system. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts or concerns.